Welcome back to Tech Mania. Losing or damaging your Roku remote can be incredibly frustrating, bringing your streaming experience to a complete halt. Today we're looking at the official Roku Voice Remote Replacement that restores all the smart functionality you love about your Roku device. If you're currently stuck without a remote or considering an upgrade, this review will show you exactly what this replacement offers. Check the description for the purchase link and subscribe for more streaming tech solutions. This official Roku Voice Remote is designed as a direct replacement for most Roku TVs, streaming players, and audio devices. The setup process is remarkably simple. Just point the remote at your Roku device and follow the on-screen pairing instructions. Within minutes, you'll have full control restored without any complicated programming or technical knowledge required. The voice control feature is a standout capability, allowing you to search for movies and TV shows across multiple streaming services using natural language commands. You can ask for specific genres, actors, or even mood-based requests like "Show me funny family movies," and get intelligent results. The built-in microphone provides clear voice capture without needing to hold the remote close to your mouth. Convenience is enhanced with preset app shortcuts for popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and HBO Max. These dedicated buttons let you jump directly into your favorite apps without navigating through menus, saving you time and making the interface more accessible for all family members. The remote features all the essential controls, including navigation buttons, playback controls, volume and power buttons for your TV, and a headphone jack for private listening through the Roku mobile app. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, and the button layout is intuitive for both new users and experienced Roku enthusiasts. Battery life is excellent, typically lasting several months on standard batteries depending on usage frequency. The build quality matches the original Roku remotes, ensuring durability and reliable performance. This replacement remote is perfect for Roku owners who have lost their original remote, experienced damage to their current controller, or simply want a backup for their entertainment system. What's your favorite Roku voice command? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Tech Mania.